Hello friends, Angie Song here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, it's another cleaning motivation. So I'm going to clean and organize my fridge. It's been a long time that I really want to organize my fridge, but I'm always busy at work. So today it's my day off, and finally I have time to organize my fridge. So let's jump right into it. So I got my clear container at Amazon. It's on sale. It's 8 pieces for $23.99. So it's still cheaper compared to Walmart, because when I went to Walmart, it's like $4 up. So I think I get a good deal at Amazon. So I'm placing all my drinks on the top of my fridge. So this organization, friends, it works for me and it works for my family, because we are all adults here, and I have no young children. So of course, when you do your organization, you make it sure that it's accessible for everybody, and especially if you have young children, you make it sure that it's reachable, everything they need. So this small white container, I got this at Dollarama for $2. So I'm going to use this here. I'm going to place my butter and my cheese. So it's perfect size for this space. So I'm going to repurpose this classical jar, spaghetti jar, and I'm going to transfer these breadcrumbs because it's only half of this container. So it takes too much room in the fridge. So I will transfer in this bottle and I will put some label on it. And this container, glass container, I'm going to place all my soy sauce and vinegar packet so it's more tidy. So I label breadcrumbs and the expiry date. So friends, this is after I finish organizing and cleaning my fridge. I love the way it turned out. It's more organized now and I can see what's inside. So if I have to do my grocery, I know what to buy, what item I need to buy, what item missing. So I'm so happy that finally I organized my fridge. So friends, if you are new to my channel and if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing, giving me some thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you are notified every time I have a new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!